Schemers, take a look in the sky. Yeah. I'm saying next couple hours, in 24-hour time, you know, hurricane beryl I go forward. You see it? So the place stay there. So the place stay there, schemers. Them tree there. You see it? It's how the place stay. That is it. So after the hurricane come and do what it for do, yeah, me I go show you how the place look like after. Them say Jamaica bless, you know, cause the amount of time we hear so hurricane a come and it no bother come. It either shift or we get look rain or you know it turn the other way. Yeah, that is it. But them said that one here come impact a little bit 100 meters away from the coast. So that means at the same distance where Usain Bolt run down the track, the 100 meters. Them say it pass 100 meters from the coast. So yeah, them say it will give you a look shake up, look a breeze. You know what I mean? Yeah. See them fence schemers. All of them places. Yeah, me I show you some more place before, after the hurricane, you know, hurricane beryl. You know what I mean? Or beryl. That is it. Schemers, I saw the sea look. The water calm, you know. You know what I mean? Boat they out there. Man, move them boat to safer ground, you know. Yeah, man, see the next one they move to. Yeah, man, ship out in the sea. If you can look straight across, over close to the horizon, that a Norman Manley International Airport over there, so. You get me? Yes, schemers, so. The sea calm, you know. Hurricane beryl come. And over there you get prepared feet, you see it? Yeah, man. And I'm showing you some more place before and after. Yeah, everywhere I'm showing you now, I'm going to show you after the hurricane come and gone or during the hurricane. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I risk it and come out of the hurricane to get the footage. That's make you make you see how it look. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, that is it. Do the same building. Yes, schemers, this is at the waterfront, you know. Yeah, man. That is it. Storm comes, so you know, them are clean out the drain them. Make sure so the drain them clean. You know, hurricane beryl comes, so you know, work a go on. You see it, see back them there and the man them there behind me. Clean out the rest of the drain. You see, I don't know if they want to go on camera, so I don't really want to show nobody on camera. I don't really want to go on camera. So I just show you. Yes, schemers, this is it. See the drain there? Drain is clean out. Daily make sure you take down the roof. Daily take down the roof before beryl take down the roof. Daily screw down the whole of the roof them, screw off the whole of the zinc them, nail them out and pack them up in a so you don't know the foundation of the place and not too sturdy, you know. You see it? Yeah. So daily I get prepared from now. See you later, the schemers. See you in there. Nah run no joke with this storm, yeah. Nah run no joke. Beryl come on and nothing good in it. No joke. Schemers in the saw the sky, look. Yeah, man. See there? Them say when Gilbert did I come and saw the sky calm. Sky calm in the next 24 hours. You don't know so the place now go normal, all the ackee tree, yeah. I show you it go stay when the storm done with it. And the next one, yeah. And a mango tree there. Eh? Tana take off her clothes, them off her line. Yes, schema, see sky there.
She get afraid.
No, sir, the people them always say Jamaica. This time them afraid of Jamaica, but that one is serious, that one is better than we. That one I decided say, man, come. Yeah, schema just say what they saw. Right, that's how me I shine the video. We say yesterday wall color you used to have a guinea tree. You used to have a guinea tree, and Ivan take it down. Ivan take down the guinea tree there. Mother Nature. Schemas take a look good, car. I'm going to show you how the place I go look after that storm. I done butter bruise because them say it's a direct lick Jamaica go get so. See fence them and the whole I tree them. Yeah. One time the place blow down away, I show you. Maybe I risk it and come out of the storm. I don't know, depends how I see outside I go on. Yeah man, so stay tuned to the vlog and watch where I go on. You see me? That is it.
You want to do earth spin every day?
Yeah.
Every day earth spin. The trees will still there, so.
I will not drop off on earth. Yeah. Gravity wall we down. Actually a big tree there. Power line, and the greatest thing about it is the light posts. Most of the light posts are concrete, so you know them they can withstand the storm. And you know how the house in the schemes they are really concrete structure, so all the thing would have to worry about our window them and them something that we are going to mash and things. So you know me I going to tape up mine here later on from this car. You can't be too prepared, you know. You see it? Better you prepared and it not come more than you not prepared and it come. You get what I say schemas, so see the whole heap of thing I go blow down. The place now go look the same again. I said the storm will come directly to it. And you see a board post but that's firm. That's why they may take it down and put a concrete there. But a concrete post to the rest of them. Hey. Storm, it a come?
No.
The storm now come?
The cloud now move fast enough.
The cloud now move fast enough. Forward? No, just tell the people that have storm. What you think about the storm? Just tell them if it's a forward, yes or no.
Yeah, no, we can't know if it's time to come. Misunderstand system, I don't know that. We can't just go and prepare because they must say storm. All we have to do the natural, do the casual, catch water and do the after. The house a leak, near up the house stuff. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, do the natural thing because you can't come and cannot come. So all we have to do is prepare. Just prepare. Because I was saying, in time come here, come, you could have full some water in the jump. And you have a big jump in the empty, you could have full some water.
Big old jump empty.
Yes, God, you could have get some water. You do the right, because storm they say, you know, we don't know. They might talk, so we have to do what them say. Last time in Gilbert, they come and saw everybody there say, no storm now come. Everybody happy and drink on a mirror. When storm come, and when the storm blow everything, they must say, boom, buckler, them not prepared. Nobody never prepared.
Body never prepared, no time.
Nobody never prepared. I'm my zone, I'm here, don't listen, brother. Never prepared. Nobody shocked when them see storm come. Surprise. I had the wickedest storm that we in Gilbert. The storm nobody like Gilbert, man. Mash up the whole country.
Them say that one is a category 5.
Yeah, and Gilbert is so much.
3.
See, and that might tell a woman this man, she remember, I said Gilbert is a category 3. And this have yeah, but by far in Jamaica, you can go down to about 4 still, so. I don't know if damage. If it really come.
Cha see the sky. The sky there from early out.
Yeah, brother. So it's there. We can't forget Gilbert, you know? It's a thing I never forgot, Mr. Brother. I saw the time status nice, everything alright. You bomb buckler. The smile come on idea. The place just get. This sky look different.
You must say something about the back row, bucket full. Storm and come so everybody a buy up. Nah, place ram up a check. Schemas, the road black up. Storm a come tomorrow, so everybody they pan a rush. The road black. The road black up. Sickly, touch it. Storm a come tomorrow and this is a Tuesday normally. The road no black up, so only on a Friday. And have to be a Friday, 5 o'clock them time there. Now a Tuesday after 1. Let me see, 1:31. And look how the place black up. Sickly, touch it. Schemas, I think the roof you can make it through the storm, yeah? The roof right there, so. They think the roof can make it. None of them roof can go make it. I'll chill spot roof I go gone. Schemas, look on the sky. And them say beryl a come, them say in the night them a go lock off the light. The JPS, the Jamaica Public Service, say them a go lock off the light in a place. So we now go have no light. We now go have no light by 11 o'clock. Me say them say 11 o'clock them a lock off the light. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock them a lock off the light. Yes, Schemas, so the light I go lock off 11 o'clock, so we now go have no light. Yeah. So you don't know hurricane beryl a come. The sky calm same way, we not see no stars still, but we're there. Oi. I know I'm not gonna shelter. You're there we yard in the night. You know? Look good until you're here. Batten down your window because you don't know.
Hurricane time, you know?
Yeah.
Wall tough like steel, same here, whole concrete from in the 80s. I said, no house are built so strong right now.
You know.
In the 80s, them have a concrete near gas fire.
Jaja.
You don't even know.
Star in the sky.
No star.
So, yeah man, see a one star right there. So. I choose, it can't show up on my phone. Yeah. But just to catch up some water, fill up my things in my house, because you don't know. People them are going like say, hey, the people them are going like say it now come, but when I watch the weather, right in a Jamaica, I think I come crash.
Right in a Jamaica, I stand up.
Right.
People are talking about, oh, God I go save way.
It not come, it not go turn way.
One thing people will understand, you know, everything on the ball about God. You say God help those who help
themselves. Alright, don't help yourself and save God I go help you.
But if you not help yourself and talk about, you sit down, God I go save you and turn back storm. The storm have become a natural disaster. Prepare yourself.
Mother Nature.
Get food, all of them things there.
That is it.
Yo, some people just lack a basic, my friend.
No joke.
Everything them ball about God.
God I go save way. Yes, so see three them there. Even a touchdown, you know, the place, the breeze pick up. The breeze pick up. The breeze pick up, you know, so you don't know. Earlier on today we have no breeze. No breeze a blow, see breeze, eh? Breeze a blow, you know. Breeze a blow must run, I'm telling you. Yeah, feel it. Yeah man, everything I pick up, me see. Yeah man, so Schemas, all the fence right there, so now go there if we get that direct hit here. If we get the direct hit, where them set the fence now go there. I don't know if you can hear the breeze in the phone, but yeah, the breeze are pick up them tree there. In the open land, a concrete post we have, so I don't think we're going to have a heap of posts a fall on because we have concrete posts. But you see, they are concrete light posts, but you don't know. Place a pick up, breeze a pick up Schemas. Jamil, what you say about this time? It a come?
No, man, I feel like it a come.
You say it a come, Jamil?
I feel like it a come. It come down.
It a come.
I mean, it has worked out before, you know, where it a come and then it no bother come. We just get a little brush. But
I
it
know
come
everybody
directly
bag up.
to
I
it.
know everybody
on the
bag
map.
up. Buy food. But go this a while ago, one woman car trunk full of food like fuckery. Full of food like fuckery. Yeah. And
say
Jamaican
that
people
like
like a boss
Uber,
them none money and them broke and them now work. Blood clean.
Listen up. Remember you have
empty.
people who have them savings at do.
You see that time when I come tomorrow, Crystal? Watch it.
If
Watch
a
the blood
body vex.
clotting.
No, but the thing is, me.
Watch TikTok. Hey, no.
Where? Me, I'm not in a little.
In
In the sky. Yeah, no, you know, no.
One big
And
man.
everything.
More at Towers, brother. One big woman will work on the building. Say, she a big woman, and she say back in a few days when Gilbert come,
That thing,
I
yeah.
saw the place. look
Yeah, at that
sunny,
somebody just
time
tell me.
hot.
At that somebody just
Cause
tell me.
you see out of my workplace, you see when we get lunchtime, breeze a shoot we down. No breeze. Nah.
Yeah, today,
At
Jamil, you're right about that. Today, no breeze now blow. I catch that palm of vlog today, I think. No breeze now blow. The time very hot.
dash half buckle. A cold water for me. Go sauce.
So me I wonder if at the storm take where the little breeze that we usually get. Because normally we don't at the plate, the breeze are push down the place.
But if I turn the buckle on my head, come here, say,
I don't know if
But-
I'm wrong, but I feel like the way how that work is you see the same way or when a big wave are pulling, it pull the water the way here. So it a take the breeze because it a travel.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I saw it go, but I'm just saying. I feel like
But Jamil, I know say from the sea storm, I know say Jamaica go get a hit. From the sea go Grenada at them island, I know say Jamaica go get a hit. And then say we have it a pass.
It is a category 4 when it hit St. Vincent. I know it the category 5, it the Gilbert level. And we are get it directly. When I get a little brush, we are get the front, the eye, and the tail.
It better full. See there? Schemers, look how right us stay. You know, tomorrow, I don't know if I go risk it if it. I go risk it and come out and get the shot for sure up on the vlog, but
I gotta do one before and after video and say before
yeah.
beryl.
Yeah, man, just
And then after beryl, and we just, you know,
should this time I come.
Ricky take a walk.
This time come, Jamil.
Yes, schemers, 11 o'clock in the night now. And I don't know if you can see what go on in the sky in the schemers, but 11 o'clock in the night now and already we not feel the impact yet, we just start see it. Cause I be a picture I take down other side there of the sky. Yeah, be a light in a flash. Earlier on we hear a thunder rumble down the place. If you can look, you see more lightning strike. It used to strike, see that? It used to strike like 1 every 10 minutes. Now it I get like frequent striking are going right now. Yes, schemers, so them say beryl on it way to Jamaica with the right directly in the path. And with there you go on, you know, watch you are going. Nothing start yet, so we're outside seeing where you know. Schemers, good morning. Yeah, you know it's the next day this, you know. My day is still a check. Hurricane barrel, you know. Yeah, people put chapalin over them window and think, you see it. Whole heap of people backing down and thing and I get ready. Remember Daily take off him roof? Alright. So we do out here a check what go and see weather. You sight, you know. Them say we are gonna get a lick on the south side. You know the south side of Jamaica, this Kingston, so you know we there go and watch it, you see it? Yeah man, schemers. So the sky dark up. Yesterday the sky did clear. Today the sky dark. You know we are gonna get it. Them say by 12, 1 o'clock today. My boss.